Right, check it out, Transformers, robots in disguise. And this is wave 9 and 10 of Transformers one-step changers for robots in disguise. We got Bumblebee, Autobot Drift, Optimus Prime is wave 9, and then Blur, which is so cool, and Sideswipe from wave 10. So now I've got some new ones, well, kind of new ones. Well, they're actually from an older wave, but they have new packaging. So now we have Combiner Force Sideswipe. So Combiner Force Sideswipe with the new packaging. And we have Combiner Force Qualifier. So that's pretty cool right there. Qualifier, Combiner Force, and one more in the Combiner Force packaging is Spring Load. So very cool. Spring Load, Qualifier, and Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. Future waves that are coming out for one-step changers are Heat Seeker, Sound Wave, and Strong Arm. The Combiner Force. So we're going to see if they're any different than the older waves that came out from before. So let's check them out. Okay, so let's check out wave 9 with Bumblebee. So this Bumblebee transforms a little bit different than the other previous ones. This one opens like a clamshell. You just open them straight up just like that. Arms move up. So there is Bumblebee. Close them up. So pretty cool new tooling is what they call it when they make them different, to transform different. So that's a pretty cool Bumblebee. One more time, we'll open them up. Okay, so that's awesome. All right, and then a new Autobot Drift, and he transforms just like previous modes. So that's pretty cool, new Autobot Drift, and he's a little bit smaller than some previous versions as well. Cool new orange. I like the orange on Autobot Drift. It looks really awesome. Alright, so there is Autobot Drift. And then this Optimus Prime is different too. Here we go. Oop, there it is. And then put his arms down. So just like that, his calves are part of his hands right there. So we flip them back. I'll do it slow motion. Just like that. Okay. One more time. There we go. So there is Optimus. Alright, then this cool version of Blur, and he transforms totally different than any other one-step changer. Got the cool wheels on the side. So we're going to pull him apart like this. And then we're going to push this down. Push his head up. And just like that, there he is. And then you got to flip his feet up. Like that, so he'll stand up. So pretty cool Blur. I like the paint job and the colors on him. Pull this back down just like that and put them back together. So there is Blur. He looks fast. Phew, just looks like an F1 racer. So very cool. That's why his name is Blur. Okay, and his arms move up and down too. Alright, let's flip his feet out. And we'll put him down right here. And then Sideswipe. So cool new Sideswipe. This one you twist just like that. And you flip him around. So there's Sideswipe. You can either spin him this way or this way. Doesn't matter. So there you go. There is Sideswipe, and his arms bend right here at the elbow. Just like that. Okay. So very cool Sideswipe. Alright, awesome. So now let's check out this new Combiner Force Sideswipe, Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. I really like the colors on this Blizzard Strike. The back is probably very similar to the earlier packaging. Well, this is the new packaging of Combiner Force. Let's open this one up. One thing I wanted to show you first is if you check the bottom of the packages, you've got Qualifier and Spring Load right there. You got Optimus and Autobot Drift right there. And you have Bumblebee and Blizzard Strike Sideswipe right there. Okay, here we go. Let's pull Sideswipe out. Very cool Blizzard Strike like the writing on the side. And just like other ones, he's going to transform like this. He's ready to go. So there is the new Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. Very cool car. Okay, now let's compare him to an older version of a one-step Blizzard Strike. Okay, so here's the new version and here is the old version. Let's see. Pretty much the same. Same Blizzard Strike. Oh no, who's the new Sideswipe? Who's the real Sideswipe? This one or this one? They're both the same, so just new packaging. Okay, so there's the old version. There's the new version. The joints and everything a little bit tighter on this one. Because it's been transformed 1,000 times yet. So very cool. Blizzard Strike Sideswipe. Okay. So now let's check out this qualifier. Combiner Force qualifier. Packaging pretty similar. Alright, let's see here. Big SUV Hummer type vehicle. So there we go. Decepticon. Oh no, Decepticon. Okay, here's his qualifier. He just stands up just like that. Mouth doesn't move at all. Hands move. Yep. His hands move up. Put your hands right there. And let's transform back. So there's a one-step qualifier. Pop his hands out. So that's what he looks like, and that's the new version. And let's check out an old version. Same thing. Same thing, just new packaging. So they didn't do any retooling on these at all. Pretty much the paint and everything, the eyes are all the same. So there you go. There is two qualifiers. Alright, so now let's check out this spring load. Pull him out here. I like the spring load vehicle mode though. Looks pretty cool. Got the eyes right there sticking out of the hood. So there's spring load. Alright, let's transform him. I'm gonna spread apart his, there we go. Spread apart the back here. And his legs come down. So there's the giant frog mouth that just is ready to bite anything. Transform him back. Very cool. Pull this apart. And he pops out. There we go. Okay. And pull that out. So there is the new spring load. And let's see an older one. Yep. Same thing. Pull this apart. And that pops out just like that. So there you go. You've got the older one and the new one, but they're pretty much the same thing. So very cool. It's okay though to have extras. That's always good. To have extra one-step changers. So very cool. Alright, let's transform them one more time. Here we go.